Welcome, dear viewers. This is MTI Chaudhary, head teacher, Feni GA Academy. The subject is English second paper for the learners of classes 6 to 10. Viewers, look at the picture. What do the boy and the girl say? The boy says, I request you to help him. The girl says, sure. What do the noun phrases, that is pronouns I, you and him, refer to? Match your answer with the following. Answer: I, you and him refer to some persons. So, our today's topic is person. Learning outcomes. After the learners have finished the lesson, they will be able to define person with examples, classify person, define all the classes of persons with examples, and identify the classes of some persons in some sentences. Dear viewers, let's come to the point of view and define person with example. Person. A person is a noun or a pronoun in any context. Example, I tell you that he sings well. Here, I is a person, you person, and he also person. Classification of persons. Persons are of three classes. Serial number 1, first person. 2, second person. And 3, third person. The three classes of persons in detail. First person. The person which the speaker uses for his own name is the first person. First personal pronouns are 10 in number. I, we, me, my, mine, us, ours, myself, ourselves. Second person. The person who is used for the name of the person spoken to is the second person. Second personal pronouns are 11 in number. They are you, your, yours, thou, thee, thy, thine, thyself, yourself, yourselves, and ye. Third person. The person which is the name of the person spoken about, or the pronoun which is used for the name of the person spoken about, is the third person. Take notice. All the nouns and their pronouns, both singular and plural, are generally third persons, and they are innumerable. Example: book, pen, pencil, room, bench, table, chair, door, window, light, fan, net, mina, minas plural, vegetables, spectacles, scissors, trousers, parents, computer, board, screen, router, cable, tank, trunk, drain, pond, lake, stream, river, sea, ocean, road, field, sky, birds, star, sun, moon, prophet, God, Allah, etc. Viewers, third personal pronouns are limited in number. He, she, it, him, her, hers, his, its, they, them, their, theirs, himself, herself, itself, themselves, these, that, these, those, who, whom, whose, which, what, etc. Look at the short forms. 1st will be pronounced like FIRST, first. 2ND, second, will be pronounced like SECOND, second. 3RD will be pronounced like THIRD, third. Viewers, now an easy and short way to define persons. First person, the person who speaks. Second person, the person who is spoken to. Third person, the person who is spoken about. The easiest and shortest way to identify first persons. First person, I, we, and the pronouns that derive from I and we. Second person, you, and the pronouns that derive from you. Third person, all the nouns and the pronouns except I, we, you, and the pronouns that derive from I, we, and you. Another way to understand persons. First person, who speaks, that is the speaker. Second person, to whom the speaker speaks. Third person, about whom the speaker speaks. The easiest rhyme to remember persons. I, we, first person, you, second person, all the nouns and the pronouns except I, we, and you, third person. Take notice. To use the three persons one after another in a sentence, the correct order of the persons. Second person, then third person, and lastly, first person. A technique to remember. 2, 3, 1. 2 for second person, 3 for third person, and 1 for first person. Incorrect. Example, I, you, and Jean went there. The correct sentence will be you, Jean, and I point there. Exception. To admit any offense, the correct order of the three persons. First person, then second person, and lastly third person. Example. I, you, and he are to blame. Viewers, now flashback to the gist. Person. A person is a noun or a pronoun in any context. Example. I hope that you will help him. I, person, you, person, and him also, person. Classification of persons. There are three classes of persons. Serial number 1, first person. 2, second person. 3, third person. An easy and short way to define persons. First person, the person who speaks. First personal pronouns, I, we, and the pronouns that derive from I and we. Second person, the person who is spoken to. Second personal pronouns, you, and the persons that derive from you. Third person, the person who is spoken about. Third personal nouns and pronouns. All the nouns and the pronouns except I, we, you, and the pronouns that derive from I, we, and you. Another way to understand persons. First person, who speaks, that is speaker, the speaker. Second person, to whom the speaker speaks. Third person, about whom the speaker speaks. The easiest line to remember persons. I, we, first person, you, second person, all the nouns and the pronouns except I, we, and you, third person. Now, test yourself for self-evaluation. Classwork khata is to be used. Time 3 minutes. Draw the circle against the best answer. The first one is done for you. Persons are of 2 kinds, 3 kinds, 4 kinds, 5 kinds. You see, 3 kinds is the correct answer. 2. Which of the following is not first person? We, mine, us, Allah. 3. Which one of the following is second person? It, our, you, she. Which one of the following is third person? Son, you, yourself, ours. You will match your answers with the answer sheet. Answer to the multiple choice questions. You will match your answers with it later. Homework. Note down your homework, dear viewers. Underline the persons in the following sentences and write 1 for first person, 2 for second person, and 3 for third person under the lines. The first one is done for you. We play football. Underline we. It is first person. 1 for first person. Underline football. It is third person. 3 for third person. Similarly, you will underline the persons and write 1 for first person, 2 for second person, and 3 for third person. She is a girl. Oppo goes to school. You are my brother. She is her sister. Dhaka is a city. Where is your book? They are our friends. Match your answer with the answer sheet after writing, but not before writing. Viewers, an earnest request. dear viewers, including my pupils, SMC members, guardians, elite, locals, friends, well-wishers, relatives, neighbors, honorable persons related to education and educational institutions, distinguished figures, educationists, resource persons, administrative officers, and persons belong to the authority concerned. Please accept my heartiest salutation and greetings. If this presentation seems to be good to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe it at the cost of your valuable click. Yours sincerely, presenter. May the Creator bless us all.